Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is a quick video about a game actually this time. So new cryptocurrency token is called PlantVsUndead, symbol PVU, and it's actually a quick and easy game, and I think it does have some potential just because of how basic and simple it is. So we'll get straight into it. We'll check out the website first, Plants vs. Undead. So there are seeds, and this is a huge part of the game. They're your assets. And a quick overview. So these seeds, they grow into plants, and you have 8 different options right here. And the undead over here, they track from right to left on your screen, and the undead tries to attack and kill your tree, is what you're trying to defend with these plants over here. So it's just that easy. As the undead walk onto the screen, your plants, depending on what type of plant they are, they fire at the undead. Just that easy. But the cool thing about this, it's roping in those NFTs, which is, a buzzword nowadays in the crypto world, along with a simple to use, easy to download video game. So it does have some potential. We'll check it out. The plant synergy, plant positioning is important. So if you put like 3 fire plants next to each other, you can get some bonuses. Some PVU token utilities. Of course, there's in-game currency. So PVU is used in the game. And also each one of those seeds and plants, they're NFTs, so that of course has tradable value as well. And that's kind of a neat thing about this game. A lot of the games, in the past, no matter what you got in the game, normally that stayed in the game. But because this is, an NFT on the Binance Smart Chain, those NFTs can be traded along the Binance Smart Chain, which is kind of neat. Tokenomics, let's check out the tokenomics. Tokens for sale, 700,000, liquidity 200,000, and lockup is 280 million. So 5% vesting every month after the game is launched. And the use of fund, 50% for development, 50% for liquidity for swapping. And some of the benefits, staking. So of course, if you own the token, you get paid out, which is pretty awesome. There's no extra requirement to that. And then holding more plants gives you more solar energy. Solar energy is consumed every time you play different rewarding game modes. And it's really just that simple. And here's just another depiction of the tokenomics over here. The 100% of the team's token is locked for 6 months, and then gradually 5% each month they can sell their tokens if they choose to. And that's kind of nice to know that, the team is not just going to drop all of their tokens onto the marketplace and crash the price. So I do have a little teaser trailer. Thought it was kind of unique, so you can kind of see what I was talking about. How one is real NFTs, and then 2, the plants are battling the undead. And as you can see here, there's your plants, there's your undead. Quick and easy. It's just a real simple cell phone game that you can actually download on your mobile iOS or Android device, which I think makes it even more compelling. So it's not even just a computer game that you have to download on your computer. So if you're on the subway, if you're a passenger in a car, you can just be gaming really easily on your cell phone. Just that easy. And then we'll check out the white paper here. Not much more data, but I'll go ahead and scroll through it. It kind of walks you through the game a little bit more and gives a little bit more details, and it highlights that this is using blockchain technology, and each one of these plants are NFTs like I talked about. So by doing so, it'll erase the gap, so they claim, between normal games and NFTs, and it's very easy to start playing using mobile devices as the main focus. Like I said, I do think that's actually really good. Everyone has an equal chance of getting plants, and another cool thing that they mentioned, there's 0 money that you have to put down. So as soon as you start the game, I'm not exactly sure how it works, if you get seeds or if you get plants from the get-go, but you don't have to put any money, any capital into the game to start playing. So 1 mother tree, 8 unique plants like we talked about and saw. And the target audience, of course, this is mostly for young males and females under 35 with the mobile devices who they're targeting. And the unique selling points, so the market is flooded with pet-oriented NFT games like Venomon and Axie Infinity, but this, the tree is a new concept, I'll give them that. And a majority of NFT games are focusing on the blockchain aspect. Games are more like an investment, and that is pretty interesting because it creates a big barrier for free-to-play users, and this has that free-to-play aspect to it. And then, yep, play to earn is available to everyone. So the blockchain features, won't go too much into this, but we did talk about that. PVU is the token in the game, as well as something that can be traded on the blockchain smart chain, the Binance smart chain, excuse me, so within Binance. And play to earn. Here's some of the assets. So here's some of those trees and collectibles. Each one of those plants are an NFT, and there's a bunch of the plants available. And then this kind of just goes over the tokenomics again. And the roadmap. So here we are. The whitelist ends 14th July, 31st July. So all this is passed. So we're looking at over here in Q4, the marketplace, adding lend borrowing plants, and then the core game, the survival mode. Let's see, 1v1. And then next year, they're looking to improve it, and then new game modes for next year. So what do you guys think? I think it's a pretty neat, easy, nothing too complex idea. So I am on board, especially if it's a free game to download on your phone. Why not? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.